Okay, so logically, the next step in my program, I think, would be to put in the looping that allows the user to keep making menu selections until they enter quit. Because right now the menu just runs once and that's it, but we want the menu to keep displaying until the user picks quit. So because we need to display the menu option first in order to get what the user enters, I know that the type of loop I need is going to be a do while. Okay, so I know it's going to be a do while loop. Okay, and where I'm going to put the loop is around here. Okay, so I want it to start up there, and then down here it's going to say while not quit, basically. Right? That's the idea of what we wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and code that in. And I'm going to put a comment first. Okay. I'm going to say this is a do while to repeat menu. I have my open bracket. I'm going to put my closed bracket in right away, which is going to be below that, and I have a while. I'm going to have the condition for the while and a semicolon. Okay, that is one of the few places where you need a semicolon after a structure. So this is while user menu input does not equal the character Q. Okay, and so that should just keep looping around and around until they enter Q. So let us test that. Okay, so I'm going to enter choice A. I expect my menu to just repeat, and it does. If I enter B, repeats, C repeats, D repeats, E repeats because there's no E choice, but it's not Q, so it still repeats. Z would still repeat. Anything other than a Q will repeat. If I hit a Q, it says press any key to continue, and it stops. So the only thing I would want to add there is that before I display that menu, I should like to clear the screen, and because that is something I would like to do every time before I displayed a menu, I'm actually going to put that line in the function display menu, because it's really something that I always want to happen before I display this menu. So it should go right in the function with everybody else. Okay, let's test that. Okay, so I'm going to enter a choice A, B, C, D, E, Z. Oh, I entered Q by accident, so I quit. Excellent, so it works.